everyone, this is Gabriel Daniela P. Miranda, currently studying BSIT2C at Pateros Technological College, and this is my educational video for my requirements in Computer Servicing System, NC2. So this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Ethernet cable, RJ45, straight through and crossover. So tara, simulan natin! So these are some of the requirement tools on how to make an Ethernet cable. Unang-una na dyan ay ang network crimper, which is used for stripping or cutting flat or round cable or wires, and also to crimp network cable. Next is the mini wire stripper knife, which is used to strip the cable jacket of the Ethernet cable. Next is of course, kailangan meron kang at least 10 pairs of RJ45 crystal connector para lang sure, baka kasi masayang. Alam mo na pag may nagkamali. Next is the LAN tester to test if gumagana yung ginagawa mong Ethernet cable. And lastly, the Cat5 or Cat6 cable. So yan, complete na ang requirement tools. So let's get started working on a straight through cable. So ang una kong step na ginawa is sinukat ko yung RJ45 crystal connector sa cable. Checking kung gaano kahaba yung dapat kong magamit na wires. After that, gumamit ako ng mini wire stripper knife to strip the cable jacket at para lumabas sa mga wires. After that, kapag lumabas na ang mga wires, since Cat6 gamit kong wire, mayroong plastic sa gitna, so kailangan ikat muna natin siya. After that, pagpantay-pantay natin ang mga kulot ng wires and arrange them according to the color order ng wires, which is nasa picture natin. Ang straight-through wire color order dapat natin is white-orange, orange, white-green, blue, white-blue, green, white-brown, and brown. So, kailangan i-arrange muna natin siya bago siya ipasok sa RJ45 para naman maayos siya kapag ilagay. After straightening the wires, i-cut natin siya gamit ang network crimper knife. After cutting, ensure na pantay na ang mga wires, ipasok na natin siya sa RJ45 crystal connector. Make sure na pasok ang mga wires sa RJ45 and tama ang arrangement ng wires sa pamamagitan ng wire color order. When it's done, ilock na natin ang mga wires sa RJ45 gamit ang network crimper, making sure na close na siya at ready to check the connections. Yung arrangement ng wire color order sa straight through cable, same mo lang siyang gagawin sa magkabilang dulo ng Ethernet cable. And after doing the same procedure sa bawat dulo ng Ethernet cable wires, i-check na natin siya sa LAN tester. And when you turn on the LAN tester to test if gumagana ang mga wires, kailangan syempre lahat ng number lights ay umiilaw. Sunod-sunod mula number 1 to 8. And when it's done, ayan! Successful ang paggawa ko ng straight-through cable. Since tapos na tayo sa straight-through cable, let's get started to do the crossover cable. Ang paggawa naman ng crossover cable is same procedure lang siya sa ginawa ko sa straight-through cable. But the difference is, yung arrangement ng color order ng crossover cable. Ang ginawa ko muna sa kabilang dulo ng cable wires is a straight through color order ng wires, which is yung nasa picture natin a while ago. White-orange, orange, white-green, blue, white-blue, green, white-brown, and brown. So, ganyan yung straight through color order ng wires dapat natin. And after that, yung isa pang kabilang dulo ng cable wire is iba ang arrangement ng color order niya. At dahil crossover cable ang need natin gawin, ang color order ng crossover ng cable is white-green, green, white-orange, blue, white-blue, orange, white-brown, and brown. And when it's done at nakagawa ka na ng crossover cable, yung straight through cable na color order sa kabilang dulo ay isasaksak natin siya sa LAN tester master. And yung crossover cable color order naman ay dapat na nasa remote LAN tester. When you turn on the LAN tester, ang dapat na result na umiilaw sa master LAN tester part is dapat sunod-sunod na ilaw na 1 to 8. And ang remote LAN tester part naman is dapat umiilaw ang order number na 3, 6, 1, 4, 5, 2, 7, and 8. Ibig sabihin, gumagana ang crossover cable mo. And based sa color order, dapat gumagana silang lahat. That's all for my video presentation. Thank you for watching.